Hello, Darren Cannell here again from Drawing Digitally. I am challenging myself to do another person's artwork. The person that I am attempting to try to do a horse drawing from is a lady named Michelle Webb. She does some phenomenal faces, and you can see some of those as we take a look here. You can see some of her bio here on the screen. Her studio that she talks about is Lion Art Studios. You need to take a look at her videos. They're so awesome. Step-by-step instructions, and you can see the skin and how she works with the different faces. They are so awesome and so detailed. So her Instagram is phenomenal as well. This is one very talented artist and has massive experience when it comes to light and how the light plays on the skin. And so I continue to try and teach myself. Take a look at this one here with she calls it Aquaman, but take a look at the water droplets and the light on his face and the texture in his skin and hair, his beard. She is phenomenal with hair and has such a talent in that area, and so you'll notice that in her in the horse drawing that I'm going to do. So as I was looking down, this is what I saw. I saw the horse drawing and I said, oh, I want to try this for sure. This is something I want to do. And so it is pretty phenomenal the way she plays with the shadow and the veins, and the hair in the horse is just unbelievable. So I'm looking forward to this challenge, and I will see what I can do. I've taken the drawing that I did and step by step and condensed it down into about 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes. So you'll get a chance to see the process that I use to try and do the horse. And then what I did is when I finished the horse drawing, I flipped it, and looking face to face, I put the two of them side by side at the very end of the video. So take a look at the two horses and how they look together. I love how strong hers look. Obviously she has she drew a much stronger horse than mine. Mine is sort of a little bit of a wimp when it comes to the thickness in the neck and how big she is, or he is. I'm not too sure if it's a male or a female, but I learned a lot when it came to shadows and lights and how to make the veins on a horse and how to make the skin look shiny. And so I think it was a very interesting adventure. So I will shut up and let you see my step-by-step here in fast time, and then I'll stick around to the very end of the video so you can see how mine show turned out. And you can look at the two side by side. Again, I attempted to try to do what she did. And if you like these challenges that I put upon myself as I try to learn how to draw digitally, don't forget to subscribe, because the more subscriptions I have, the more fun I have. Thank you.